Until now, there have been no alternatives to chemical seed dressing other than with very large and expensive equipment. Neither cost nor integration methods were ideal for most applications. With the new Evonta E3 concept, there is now a system that combines both highest efficiency with minimum dimensions. The modular E3 machine takes up less than 10% of the space required by previous models, and its definitive advantages are clear. The seeds are continuously fed into a pre-settling tank. From there, the electronic controller directs the process. A special conveyor transports the seeds into the machine, and an intelligent product guide ensures that the seeds are separated. The seeds flow into the innovative Evonta free-fall system, where all of the seeds pass through the active electron zone with exactly controlled speed. Each individual seed is then precision charged with energy. The electrons penetrate the seeds just deeply enough to kill bacteria, fungi, and even viruses with reliability. The trick to the E3 system is the innovative process control. Although the seeds trickle through the free-fall system in an airflow, all of the particles, whether corn seeds or grass seeds, pass through the active electron zone at exactly the same speed. That means that their movement is the same as if they were in a vacuum. The system is able to treat each and every particle with the same dose of energy and disinfect them in a highly effective manner. The new Evonta E3 system no longer requires vacuum technology. That makes the equipment considerably smaller and more economical. One E3 module manages several hundred kilograms of vegetable seeds per hour, or up to 5 tons of grain. The combination of several modules makes an hourly output of over 30 tons possible. In short, Evonta E3 is the perfect solution for the chemical-free treatment of all types of seeds at any production volume.